The day I learned how to make coffee the right way. The right way to make coffee is not to use coffee beans or spend 15 minutes making it, then cleaning up after your mess, or wasting 30 minutes a day going to a cafe, battling traffic, waiting in line, and spending way too much money. Instead, I choose RYZE Mushroom Coffee. Organic adaptogenic mushrooms are the only way to go. RYZE is rich and creamy. It's the perfect way to start the mornings for all-day crash-free energy, mental clarity, calm, and a happier gut. Plus, it takes like less than a minute to make. Just scoop, stir, and enjoy. All for just over $1 a cup. I mean, you can't beat that. That's coffee done right. Try RYZE risk-free for 30 days and see why thousands of people have switched for good. Don't fall for scams. Mushroom coffee, hit or hype? Let's find out. Today we're looking at RYZE. Okay, so the main ingredients you want to look for in a high quality coffee alternative are cordyceps for improved stamina, lion's mane for all around mental support and brain boosting function, reishi for healthy heart function, stress relief, and deep sleep. The way I see it, if you're going to give up coffee, you have to find at least these 3 ingredients to make it worth your while. And RYZE has them all. I remember how hard it was for me to quit coffee, but RYZE actually made it easy. I never felt groggy or had those ugly crashes in the afternoons. I woke up feeling rested and energized for the day, and I felt great overall. RYZE also has 3 other adaptogenic mushrooms like turkey tail, king trumpet, and shiitake, which support gut health, immunity, and are antiviral against sickness and disease. Try it for yourself for 30 days or get your money back. PSA, adaptogenic mushrooms you should never eat. Lion's mane, your brain fog will disappear and you'll have too much mental clarity and focus. Reishi will help you with stress and anxiety and support your sleep. 0 out of 10. Shiitake is anti-inflammatory and keeps your immune system strong. Wouldn't recommend. Cordyceps, known to improve physical stamina and reduce fatigue. No thanks. King trumpet, too rich in amino acids and antioxidants. Turkey tail, guardian of the gut and digestive system aid. Too good to be true. With the list of health benefits, longer than the line at Starbucks, it's hard to ignore, but how do you get them all? If you want all of these potent mushrooms in one creamy and delicious drink, try RYZE Mushroom Coffee. No sugar, artificial sweeteners, dairy, or gluten. 100% organic functional mushrooms in every cup. Grab a bag of RYZE with 30-day satisfaction guarantee and enjoy living life to the fullest. How mushroom coffee can get you in shape for summer. I love working out, but sometimes my motivation meter starts running low, and that can make it hard to be consistent and stay in shape. If you feel the same way, you could be experiencing a little known motivation killer, and it's not the lack of discipline or willpower. It's actually a hormonal imbalance. And breakouts on your face like this could be telling you that too. Hormones play a big part in motivation. It can lead to lower levels of happy chemicals in your brain, making you feel lethargic and fatigued. That's why I drink RYZE Mushroom Coffee. Its potent blend of 6 adaptogenic mushrooms restores hormonal balance, boosting my motivation levels. 1 scoop in the morning, and I'm filled with all-day energy, focus, and determination. Now the gym is my favorite part of the day. I'm stronger and more driven than ever, and I can't remember the last time I skipped a workout. With RYZE, I know I have the support I need to crush my fitness goals, and with summer right around the corner, now is the best time to get yourself a bag and get the best shape of your life. Try it for yourself with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. It's worth it.
When you have an important meeting in 30 minutes and your nerves and stomach are out of whack, adaptogenic mushrooms without the trippy hallucinations. No more jitters, anxiety, or stress. So creamy. Hello, calm. Welcome back. All right, let's go crush this presentation.
My mushrooms are a superfood you need to have. I start every day off with 6 different kinds of mushrooms that help me both physically and mentally. First up, cordyceps, an antioxidant powerhouse to help reduce fatigue and boost strength and energy. Reishi, used for thousands of years in Eastern medicine, to promote a better mood, lower stress and anxiety, and support a good night's sleep. Lion's mane, this is used by Buddhist monks to help study and meditate. It's amazing if you're looking for sharper focus, concentration, and memory. Shiitake is an overall immune booster. This is rich in compounds that protect against cell damage, viruses, and infection. If you have gut issues, turkey tail is an amazing antimicrobial that promotes healthy digestion, and it's really good for your heart health and overall immunity. It's amazing for maintaining a healthy heart. It fights against inflammation, and it has antiviral properties that support bone health. All of that in a single scoop every morning. I mean, over 150,000 people have switched to RYZE. And it's pretty clear why. The benefits are endless. Find out for yourself. The other day, a coworker asked me, how can you possibly be a morning person? Well, about a month ago, I switched to RYZE Mushroom Coffee. And after that, I felt so good all day long. During my first week of drinking it, I felt a drastic difference in my energy. I didn't feel anxious or jittery. or get caffeine crashes in the afternoon. It used to be really hard for me to go throughout the whole day and not want to take a nap. And I haven't needed one in weeks. The best part is that for the first time in a very long time, my sensitive stomach is calm and happy and has not been upset at all. And as I've continued to drink it, I've seen even more differences in myself. My focus at work has really improved. My body, my knees mainly, are not as achy as they used to be. It's honestly crazy to me that just making one little switch from regular coffee to mushroom coffee has improved my life this much. Being healthy while still getting my favorite drink in the morning. I wouldn't trade how I feel physically or mentally for anything right now. Definitely recommend trying out RYZE. You guys will be amazed at the difference it makes. Not all matcha was created equally. There are two main kinds called culinary and ceremonial. The culinary grade matcha is typically lower in quality. It has a more bitter taste and a duller green color, and it doesn't have as much active nutrients as ceremonial. Ceremonial matcha, like the one you'll find in RYZE Matcha, is the cream of the crop. The nutrient level is super high. It has tons of powerful antioxidants to help keep your body and brain in optimal function. Plus, RYZE also combines 6 adaptogenic mushrooms in their blend so you get the best of the best in every single cup. It has powerful healing properties to give you better focus and energy throughout the day, calm your anxiety, cut through nagging brain fog, boost your gut health and metabolism, and help you sleep better at night. I mean, just look at how creamy and rich this is compared to culinary grade matcha. Soak up all the benefits matcha has to offer. Grab your bag of RYZE like today.